Hello, this is Angeliz. Thank you for coming Angeliz Stationery Room. Today I want to do ink flight unboxing. Let's enjoy with me. Ink flight is fountain pen ink subscription, monthly subscription, and this is my third one, I think. Yeah, it becoming my favorite because I learn new inks blends. I am a new fountain pen user. I just starting like this month, this year, but I'm into fountain pen and inks like 6 months ago. Because fountain pen and fountain pen inks make me more joy to journaling and planning. I really love this hobby. Okay, what's this month? Kiwi. So Australia. I thought kiwi is Australia because the animal bird, but it said Los Angeles. This is Honolulu. Oh, interesting. Rainbow in a bottle. Oh, cool. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. I can see that. Calm down. I need to calm down. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. Last month I not using a lot pen, so I not washing yet. I can't use. Look! Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful colors. Okay, I'm gonna put it separate. And they always include something related to fountain pen. What is this? Entertainment. That's cute. I'm gonna put my journal today. RHODIA! Yay! What size is this? RHODIA. See, this is A6 size, 90 GSM paper, and 96 dot grid. This is a French made. It have 192 pages. Quite a lot. Yeah, it's a really good texture. What is this? What's this color? It's so good quality. I love it. I always want to use the RHODIA because a lot of fountain pen user using this paper also, Tomoe River or this. But I using the Tomoe River, so I'm very interested. Oh, it have the cuts here, so easy to tear. Nice. Definitely I'm gonna put my desk on my desk. All right, let's swatch and first, gonna do rainbow in a bottle. It looks like a beautiful, beautiful blue color. Wow, it's so light color. Very light. Kiwi ink. Rainbow in a bottle. This is very, very light. Wow. Now you can see. Oh, can you see? It start showing pink here. Can you see? Very beautiful. Lavender. This is also a light color. Beautiful. Lavender. Beautiful, beautiful color. Lavender. And next, kiwi ink kakapo parrot. Oh, love this green. Whoa, so bright. Very, very light green. Love it. Wow. Kiwi ink. Kakapo parrot. Wow, love this green. It's so bright. Next is a Hyacinth Macaw. Hyacinth Macaw. Oh, I love this blue too. Love it. Beautiful. here. Hyacinth Macaw. BC. Oh, so beautiful. Red panda. Aw, kawaii. This color reminds me lesser panda. Oh, shoot. Sorry. Nebula Space Kitty. Wow. What color is this? Very interesting. Wow. Kiwi. It's hard to describe this color. At first I thought black, but this is not black. And green and I don't know. It's very hard to describe. Very beautiful color. Whoa. Last color is, how to say this? Trecolori? Trecolori? I don't know. The ultramarine green. Green? It looks blue. Wow, very beautiful. Ultramarine green. This is the everything I tested. Okay, let's try. This notebook is not white. It's cream color, so it little different shades, different color. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 inks I swatched on the RHODIA also. It have a little breathe through. And Tomoe River, no breathe through. Very interesting. Breathe through, but not next page. Yeah, I really love this. Easy to tear. Love it. Okay. Now we try and show the shades. So beautiful. Can you see the little pink underneath? Oh, this is beautiful. Here has a little purple or blue, sky blue shades. I don't know. I can show you. This is a really vibrant color, green and blue. Love this shade. And the orange brown, orangish brown. Also love this kind of color. This green, black, I don't know. It have, can you tell? I can see a little blue sheen I seen, but it's hard to tell. Maybe not. Very hard to tell. A little sparkle, shiny stuff on the paper. Can you see? I'm not sure. Right. Yeah. Here. This is a wow sheen. Oh, this is a wow sheen. Very beautiful. Very beautiful. Beautiful. Love it. Love all colors. I don't know what fountain pen I'm gonna use. Everything, I love these colors. Anyways, this is RHODIA cream color. It's how different you can see. Probably it's more easy to see this pink tone here, like so, and lavender color, and green. That's a lot different. And blue. Yeah, reddish brown is more browner than RHODIA. This blackish, greenish color, beautiful color, is more dark gray on the darker gray, and the green on the RHODIA, and beautiful dark blue is more dark blue black looking the color. Very interesting. The paper making this much different. Very interesting. This month is the ink flight box. Again, I never used kiwi ink before and they are new to me. Yeah, I love all colors. Now I'm going to their site and look for the different colors. Yeah, RHODIA, always interested, use it. Tomoe River and RHODIA, it's a shades making a lot difference. Very interesting. I said in this box for I learning stuff for the fountain pen or inks in papers. It's really educate me. Yeah, I love this box. I love this box. It's $25 a month. The shipping is like $5. I don't think I'm not paying over $30. This is like less than $30, everything including shipping. So, and good educate. Thank you. Yeah, it's always fun to use. I'm gonna use this color on my journal this month. I need cream my fountain pen first. Alright, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. See you.